Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to change privacy settings on your PC. Windows 10 is the most popular desktop operating system in the world, and while Windows 11 is nipping at its heels, most of us will still be running Microsoft's current OS for the foreseeable future. And even if you use it every day, there's always more to learn. If you are concerned about your privacy and don't want Microsoft to attain certain types of information on your, such as location data, getting to know you features, and more, then it would do you good to spend some time in the privacy settings to figure out what you want and don't want to share with the company. First of all, go to Settings. Then to Privacy. Go to General and turn off all the toggles if you don't want Windows to track users' habit and show you suggestions based on your behavior. Then go to Inking and Typing Personalization, and turn it off. This will restrict Windows from tracking your typing and inking history. Similarly, you can click on other options such as Diagnostics and Feedback, Activity History, and more to disable sharing of your information that you don't want to. To be fair, Windows records your usage to give you a better service. However, if you are not comfortable sharing your information with Microsoft, you should certainly switch these things off. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.